So, has one or more of your kitchen countertop outlets or plugs stopped working? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a common reason why this happens and how to fix it. Electrical code requires that kitchen countertop receptacles or plugs or outlets, however you call them, they need to be GFCI protected. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. I like to think of it as a smart plug, as it has the ability to turn itself off if it detects a situation where you could potentially be getting shocked. There's a way to install these GFCI outlets where you have one GFCI outlet and then you have normal outlets installed downstream of that GFCI protected outlet. The benefit of doing this is that those other outlets, those normal outlets downstream of the GFCI outlet, are also GFCI protected. So what typically happens is something causes that GFCI outlet to trip, and then anything downstream of that also loses power. If this is what has happened to your outlets, all you need to do is look for the GFCI outlet that controls those outlets that lost power, hit that reset button on the GFCI outlet, and that should restore the power. Now, it's possible if you have a newer house that your kitchen countertop outlets are controlled by a GFCI breaker. That would be in your breaker panel. There's likely more than one GFCI breaker in your breaker panel that controls the kitchen countertop outlets. You'll need to find which one is tripped and then reset it. Now, it's possible that you have a mix of both. I've seen situations where you have a GFCI breaker in the breaker panel and you also have GFCI outlets at the kitchen countertop. So in that situation, you'll want to reset either the breaker or the outlet or both if they need to be. Typically, this will restore the power to your outlets. Now, if you've tried all this and you still don't have power, you may need to contact an electrician to further troubleshoot. Well, I hope this was helpful. You know, we put out videos like this on a regular basis. They include simple repairs that many homeowners can do, as well as house knowledge. So if you're not yet a subscriber, I recommend hitting that subscribe button. Have a great day, and bye for now.